Welcome back, friends. Welcome to You Trade Room. So today we will see the market analysis. Uh, if you see if you'd have seen my previous video, I would have already said you that Nifty is going to come down. Okay. So if you can see here, the same thing has been marked here. So it is on a negative side. So it has come till this. If you can see, it has taken the support till this. So it is for me, if Nifty goes from this line, if you can see, it did not breach this particular R line which I have done it on yesterday. So if Nifty is going up, then it has to go from here itself, or else if Nifty is breaching, that means there will be slowly, like the kind of this price action, and then this price action like this, and then this price action like this. It is something like either Nifty has to cover out all these things. Okay, so if you can just forget about this line. So Nifty has to definitely cover the below, yes, this one. So if Nifty is coming down from here, from this particular line, that means Nifty is going to reach to 18, just give me a minute, 18876. So near to this 18876. Then again it can go up from here. And if you can see in the price action also, if you can see keenly how this is working in, then see this. From here, Nifty has gone up. Forget about this particular lines. Nifty has gone up, and from here it has made a price action. Okay, and from here again, Nifty has seen this price action from here to here, and from here to here, this is another price action. From here to here, we are expecting here it can take another one, or it can directly drop from here, because Nifty has to fill this particular gaps. If you can see this green candle from here, okay, which is 19234 to 19199. So for somewhere around some 30 points, it has to fill here. Even from here, it is somewhere around, like near to at least 10 to 20 points. Here also it is same. From here to here, it is something like 10 to 20 points. So if Nifty is again, if you draw a trend line, just we'll take a confirmation from the trend line now. So if Nifty breaches this trend line, okay, and do not forget, in the stock market, if something is breaching, immediately do not take the trade. Never take the trade. Okay, so you need to wait for a price action, or else there should be one candle over here, and then another candle should close on top of this line, and another candle on top of that. You should have an opening on top of that. It is not like between or something like that. So remember these things, or else you don't take a trade at all. Whenever you find the things like it goes up like this, or you can see here it has come down, again it has gone up. So this is not a proper trade. What we thought from here, it will go down. Okay, it has gone down till this 257. Okay, and from here again the bulls are pushing up, like people who are on a calls, they are pushing, like there is a buying happening from here. So remember, if this is going on top of this trend line, this is daily frame time, always see if this should breach this particular box. Okay, and second thing is, on top of this line, don't directly take the trade. Just wait for price action to happen, or else wait for a first candle and second candle to close out, and then you take a trade. Okay, so as if now it has it has opened from here and is closed from here. So it is something like we need to see Nifty is going on taking a lot of supports, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So almost 6 times it has taken support here in the same zone. Okay, in the same zone. That means whenever it comes down, it is trying to go up, From here also it is trying to go up, trying to go up, trying to go. At last it went up, and from there again it is falling down. And there is another analysis you need to see here. First thing is this trend line you have seen now. Second thing is we already make a box. We already made this box. So we need to see in other perspective that it should take this support and then it should go up. This is one thinking. So we have now support, and on top of that we have resistance, and we have a box over there. So what how should you trade now? So this is a gimmick. I already said first confirmation you will get it if Nifty sustains on top of this trend line, sustains and take a price action, you go for a call. Okay, go for a call. But for me still this is a doubt. Still this is odd, because this might be because if you this might be a breakup, and it is taking support here, but I doubt, because Nifty when it will fill this gap. So it is something that we need to be very much alert, wait for these things, like it should come down, till this. I'm pretty damn sure definitely Nifty will come down till this line. Okay, but make sure a candle needs to be formed here, or slowly it fills this this trend line, and it can break down or it can break up, something like this. But most probably in my perspective, I think if Nifty is breaking on top of this, it will give you a boom up, or else it will come down till this. This price action can go up like this and this and this, and then from here again it will go up, something like this. So make sure you trade accordingly. And if people doesn't understand, if you people are not understanding, like okay, on top of this trend line should we buy it or not, do one thing. As I already shared a video with you guys, like simple moving average, just I'm enabling this, and now you see 9 EMA had a crossover, cross down, and if you can see it is here. So you need to understand, if Nifty is going on top of this, that means you will have a cross up. Don't worry, that this indicator always shows you how to trade. So it is clearly showing now, in 9 indicator clearly showing was I'm going down. The Nifty is down now. So just wait for this confirmation, like you can just check this. It is 19650. It's 19644 to 19650. Yeah, this particular line 19661. Yeah. So if it breaches on top of this, and you need to check on a daily base, because this is a daily candle, it can change, this can vary. As if now it goes on top of this, then you are very much happy to take a call, take a what to do, like push the things, buy it, call option, just put a call option on the top of this, and just wait for price actions, and just go ahead for a long position, just put a stop loss. And even here just wait for this. Okay, this is another scenario to understand. If you can see here, see, it never has a cross down after so much of time, like it is way back. If you can see, it made a crossover in the month of April, and now if you can see, it made a crossover again now in the month of August. So you need to now little bit be careful to trade how to trade and all. Just see this trend line, see this box out. Okay, you can just extend this box, and make sure first, number one, let's wait for this trend line to break. Number two, either it can go down. Okay, if it goes down, it sustains here, and do not trade in this particular bar. Okay, and number three, if this crossover is it's sustaining down, that means Nifty will go down. Okay, so I think this should be good enough for you to understand how to do it. And the same thing for scalping also on it. I've just checked the daily chart, but for people who are there in scalpers and all, just go to 5 minutes, 5 minutes to 15 minutes, that's more than enough for scalpers. Okay, and see here beautifully, It made just a crossover, and you can see everything is gone on. You can see the 21 EMA how it worked on. Beautifully it worked on top of this everything is called on top of bottom of this everything is like put. And you can see clearly here Nifty said like boss 9 EMA said like boss Nifty I'm just making a cross up, and if you want take a call option. If someone would have purchased here, you would have purchased here and happily you would have taken the profit till this. Okay, once this is going down, once this is having a crossover, just sell it out, like just make a trailing stop loss and just I think just go on trail your profit. Here also it is same. Once it breaches, once the crossover happened, I think you would have gone for this put option. So see this, even now it shows like it's going down. So now we have to check tomorrow, either you have a gap up or gap down. But remember, first first thing is, this is 1 minute, you can go to 5 minutes also, you can check this. See this, 1 minute you have a crossover and you have beautiful call here, and it's waiting for cross down in 5 minutes candle. So you need to check even that also. So for me, just go, if you want to have a precise understanding and of taking a you know by taking a call option or put option, these things, and I'm purely option buyer, I'm not an option seller at all. But just remember these points, go into daily chart every time and check what is happening on a daily chart. And remember, this is our zone where it is consolidating frame. And remember, have fun at this particular area from 19315 to 18893, because it's all down now. If it goes down, if this doesn't breach this trend line, see, it can give you a fake breakout. But I already explained you, if you can see the whole video, that how to understand a fake breakout. So do not go with the fake breakouts, because suddenly there will be a green candle and suddenly there will be a red candle, again it will come down. So don't go for that, just wait for confirmations. And please check this crossovers, please check this crossovers. Do not take blind trades, do not take blind trades at all. If in a single day you're not understanding how to trade, please see, just watch the just watch what is happening on a daily basis. That's it. Okay, so I think this is what the things for tomorrow you need to understand this. If this is going on top of this trend line, just take a call option and make sure you get a confirmation from crossover, and also the candle should be closed on top of this and there should be another candle on top of that, then you take a trade on that. And second thing is, wait, if it is going here and then coming here like this, then it's going down. Okay, it's very easy to understand. So target is on two sides, like go up or go down. Going up, I've already said you, going down, it's already been clearly shown here. So just wait for fun. Okay, and if you can see the trend line also from here, from the bottom, you can just draw a trend line and see this is already made a cross down. That means there is another confirmation. Okay, if you want, I can just show you. So I'm just closing this one, another one, this one also. Just check from here. Yeah, and you can also check from here, not a big deal. Just check from here. See this, how beautifully it has taken supports on regular basis. Now it is saying, what boss, I did not cross this trend line also. If you want these kind of things, then it's it looks like a small triangle kind of thing. But do not draw too many things, just try to understand that this is enough for you guys. Just you need one indicator, understand the support, understand a trend line, that's it. Try to take a proper understanding and then try to take a proper option, either call or put. So for my, I've already explained you how to trade for tomorrow and for a long positions, and also for if you want to see on a 5 minute chart, you can check the same things happens. So Thank you. I hope you, if you have any sort of doubts, please try to send me a comment. I'm very much new to this channel. Like, we just started the channel. We hope people coming in. If down the line, I'm going to teach each and every candlestick patterns, the several strategies to apply on. Okay, so believe me, you will get everything here. Okay, we need your contribution, your help towards the channel. View and a subscribe should help us. Okay, I hope I have done this. So hope you have a nice day and have a good trade for tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.